Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to replace this Hyundai Kona Flip Key battery. The battery you will need is the CR2032 and you can click on the link below to get it online. This one also used for Hyundai Accent, Elantra and more, different years as well. Alright, so first we have to open the key right here, and then we'll take a big enough flathead. And right here at the bottom, I will insert it and turn clockwise, okay? Now, as you can see, there is a gap here that you can open the key with, okay? We have to take the cover off. Now do it gently, not to damage the key, okay? And make sure that the flathead is big enough. You don't want a small one, you want a big one, okay? So this is how we do it. We take the cover off gently. Now we'll have to take these two screws right here, okay? So 1 and 2. Now the cover comes off, okay? And here again, CR2032 as I mentioned. Now to take the battery, we'll have to do it from here. I will insert a small flathead right there, okay? And I pull up. This is a good battery, I will use it again, so I will slide. Sorry. As I said, this is a good battery, so I will slide it down. The bottom part first, and then I'll press. Once again, to take it out, do not try to do it from here. It's not gonna work, okay? So you have to do it from the top. Insert the flathead, gently move the battery a little bit, and pull up, okay? And now, take the battery, slide it back in. I'll take the cover, which first I put the bottom part, and then the top. Take the two screws, I'm sorry. Put them back in place, just like that. Make sure it's all good, tight it. Take the cover, put it back, and that's it, you're all good. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you.